Hello and welcome to the channel. Today a review of the Tonor TC30 USB microphone. Let's get into it. So this is the Tonor TC30 USB condenser microphone. It's the first USB microphone that I've bought and it cost me £26 from Amazon. It was discounted and the microphone has just gone up to just over £30. The microphone comes with a really clear multi-language instruction booklet and the English language instructions are particularly good. The microphone comes boxed and attached to a really sturdy metal-legged tripod. It really provides quite a lot of weight and provides a real stable base for the microphone. As you can see, the microphone has the Tonor logo on the side, and when that is lined up perfectly with the window on the shock mount, it provides the perfect distance from the pop filter when that's fitted. The cable supplied is USB-C and the microphone is provided with 2 meters worth of cable, which should be ample for most uses. The pop filter has a metal bracket which really fits well to the shock mount and provides a really solid base for the pop filter. And the shock mount has a couple of bands holding the microphone really isolated from the shock mount and preventing any noise transferring into the microphone, which has dimensions of 10 centimeters for the pop filter, 15.5 centimeters for the microphone itself. As I said, 2 meters worth of cabling. The height of the microphone is 19 centimeters, then the width of the feet are 15 centimeters. So I'm using Audacity to record the voiceover for this video using the Tonor TC30. And I just thought I would let you know which settings I've applied to Audacity to provide the depth of recording on this. In terms of the vocal, I've used the EQ filter, factory presets and treble boost, and then also I've used exactly the same method, the EQ and filter, factory presets and into presets to provide a bass boost. Finally, I've added volume and compression and normalized the sound to provide this really deep and bassy sounding vocal using the Tonor TC30. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also if you are interested in buying this microphone, there is a link in the description.